You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk drive belt used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Before carrying out this operation, we recommend watching our video 5 Things to Know When Changing a Drive Belt. This helps explain the key role that this part plays. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the holding nut on the negative terminal. Loosen the stud bolts on the passenger side wheel. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching our tutorial, Raising Your 2008 2 Safely, before carrying out this step. To change the drive belt on your vehicle, you need to remove the passenger side wheel to gain full access. Remember to slide the wheel under the vehicle. You will also need to remove the mudguards. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the mudguard retaining screw. Remove the holding clips using a fork. You can now take off the mudguard. The drive belt moves the alternator, which charges the battery, yet it also operates the power steering, the air conditioning compressor, and sometimes the water pump. Using a 13mm ring wrench or offset wrench, loosen the drive belt by lifting the tensioner pulley. At the same time, remove the belt. When you are changing your drive belt, you also have to replace the tensioner pulley.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Using a socket wrench and an 8mm Allen socket, unscrew the holding screws on the tensioner pulley. Then remove the pulley. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Get the new pulley and put it back in its place. A keyed connection allows you to position it perfectly. Re-screw it in using the socket wrench at first. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Take the new drive belt. Pay careful attention to which way up you use it. The writing on the belt must turn clockwise. Slide the new drive belt into and around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To put it back in place completely, lift the tensioner pulley to remove the locking pin. Then release the pulley to tension the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Put the mudguard back in. Replace the holding clips. Then screw the screw back in. You can then put the vehicle wheel back in place and lower your car to the ground, not forgetting to fully fix the wheel in place. Reconnect the battery. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.